Hello parents, I'm going to be showing you how to do area model division today. It's very similar to what we do with multiplication, except we'll be dividing in this case. So our dividend is 736 and our divisor is 3. So we set up our model basically the same way in which we set up our multiplication model. We have 100s, 10s, and 1s, 100s, 10s, 1s. We're dividing by 3, so we put the 3 on the side, and these numbers up here represent what we can subtract, because as we know, division is basically repeated subtraction. So 3 times 100 gives us the 300, 3 times 10 gives us the 30, and 3 times 1 gives us the 3. And so as we're going through, the first step, we put our 736 in the hundreds place value. And we need to figure out whether or not we can subtract 300 from this number. In this case we can, so we would go through and subtract 300, leaving us with 436. We need to figure out if we can subtract one more 300, which we can, which would leave us with 136. Now, we cannot subtract 300 again, so we'd bring this number up to our tens, and we would count how many times we subtracted 300. In this case, 1, 2. And so we would put a 2 right up top by our 100. Then we go through and we subtract 30. And we would say 136 minus 30 leaves us with 106 minus 30. Leaves us with 76 minus 30. Leaves us with 46 minus 30, leaves us with 16. Now we need to bring the 16 from here to our ones place, and we would count again how many times we subtracted 1, 2, 3, 4, and so we should have 4. And finally, we take a look at our ones place with 16. And we would subtract 3 now. 13 minus 3 gives us 10. Minus 3 gives us 7. Minus 3 gives us 4. Minus 3 is 1. And again, we would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a remainder of 1. Write that off to the side. And so our answer would be 2 hundreds, 4 tens, 5 ones, remainder 1.